we're going to do off-camera flash. An off-camera flash requires that you disconnect the flash from the camera, and it can be signaled by either the camera's built-in optical or what they call an infrared connection, or you can buy a really cool radio accessory, and a lot of these flashes now accept radio triggering. This is a very inexpensive Nissan trigger. And what this will do is this will tell that flash when to fire. What's neat about it is that I can change the shutter speed all the way up to 1/4000th of a second using high-speed sync. And the ability to go to 1/4000th of a second is awesome because I can completely wipe out any of the available light. If I wipe out available light, then the only light that remains is the light that comes from the speed light. And that allows me to shape, sculpt, and color the lighting to give me infinite creative effects no matter where you are, anywhere, at any time. So let me show you how this system is set up. I've got my camera here and my trigger. Then over here, and this is something that we're going to use quite a bit, is just a really simple light stand. And then we just mount the flash onto there. It's very, very simple, and we're ready to go. Here we have the new Lightsphere snoot modifier that we are going to put in to give us a very, very focused beam for a very dramatic effect. In this case, we're going to do some really cool kind of off-camera flash dramatic portraiture. So that is available light without the aid of any of my flash modifiers. Now what I'm going to do is I'll turn on the off-camera flash, and the off-camera flash simply has a snoot and a grill. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that it's extremely dark all around, and the way I'll do that is by taking the ISO as low as I can go because we want to block out the light. In other words, we want to really severely underexpose if we can. So I'm going to put the camera on manual mode, and I'm going to put it on ISO 100. So right now you can see I'm at very extreme 1/4000th of a second at f1.4. I'm forcing that in manual, and I'm at ISO 100. So if I don't have any flash on and I shoot like this, let me just turn the flash off. So you literally see basically nothing, right? Now when I turn the flash on, we will bring in a really cool dramatic light. Go ahead and look in that direction and smile at me. Good. Perfect. Very dramatic lighting, same place, two completely different looks. Let's take a look at it. That is before and that's after. Quite a difference. Now let's go to, we'll maybe make a black and white photo. Okay, so I'll go down here to black and white, and okay, let's do one. Yeah, good. Perfect. Good kitty. There. Very dramatic black and white lighting. Let's do one without the flash, just so you can see what that looks like. So if I'm going to go to regular without flash, I'm going to take the ISO. I'm going to take the ISO back to something just auto, you know, just something reasonable so I can see. And I will go off of manual, and I'll just go into aperture priority. Whatever I feel like right now. I feel like aperture priority because I got this beautiful 1.4 lens on. So, okay, go ahead and smile, and nice. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at the difference between the two. Quite a dramatic difference.